Okay, so in this video we will proceed and talk about a function called fputc, which is basically a function that takes some character and a pointer to a file that is probably has been opened for writing in this case. Okay, I modified it to take a file called myfirstfile2.txt writing mode and open it up, store this opening channel, let's call it, inside a pointer called fp. And this is no longer relevant. And now what we are going to do is to call this function file put character and put a character inside a given file. So it looks like this: fputc taking a character, in this case it's h, and putting it inside where the fp is pointing to. Then we will put e and then we will put y. They will be put one after the other. All right? So just make sure you do not use something like this, fputc and h, because if you do that this way, you will try to work with strings, okay? If you use double quotes, then we know that it represents a string, so it basically will look like this behind the screen, behind the scenes. Awesome. So now let's build and run it and see what this program will give us using this fputc function. So there you go. Okay, everything seems to be working correctly. Let's now open up where the file was created. Here I specified just a local path to the file. So it's the file inside of this project, and it's going to be right here. So here we have myfirstfile2.txt. Let's open it up, and there you go. You have the character h, e, and the character y. So the text here is hi. Hi, nice to meet you. So yeah, this is the second function. Very interesting. It looks kind of fgetc, but just now it works with writing to a file instead of reading. And yeah, and just before we finish up with this video, another important note, since I want you to become more professional as you proceed, we remember who is this std out, right? You remember this one? Std out, standard output from one of our previous videos. So we said that it's just a pointer to the display, to the screen. And if we want to display a character to the screen, we could simply use, right, that's what we know so far, we could simply use put char, right? And basically to take some character and to put it to the screen, right, some character from here. Okay, good. So let's, yeah. But we also know how to put some character to a file, right? We know to use now fputc. And we can simply say that instead of using here, inside of this fputc, using some fp, which is a pointer to file, we will use, let's say, I don't know, std out, which is a standard output. And we will see what will happen now. So let's see. And there you go. The character A displayed on your console using the putchar function that took the character A and redirected it to the standard output, which in this case is the console application. Is it clear? So we can say that this function is kind of equivalent to put char and getting here some character A. We can see that both of them do pretty much the same, right guys? So yeah, this is it for the second function. We covered up fgetc, fputc, and we are moving forward. Good luck!